On the number 26, the problem is identify the employees who have handled at least one transaction where the delivery cost was higher than the average delivery cost for the store they work in. So we need to first select this thing for unique values, employee ID, concatenate the employee first name, employee last name as employee name, and the restaurant ID, restaurant name. From transaction T, from transaction T, inner join orders on order ID to transaction ID. Next, you need to inner join restaurant menu details on restaurant menu details ID to order ID. And next is inner join the restaurant and restaurant ID to restaurant menu details ID. Then inner join the employee position details on employee position details ID to transaction ID. Last inner join is employees E on employee ID to employee position details ID, where transaction delivery cost is greater than, and we need to select average transaction to that delivery cost. From transaction T, inner join orders O2 on O2 order ID and to transaction ID. Inner join the restaurant menu details or RMD or on restaurant menu details ID to order ID, where restaurant menu details to restaurant ID. And the last we need to do is group by employee ID, employee first name, last name, the restaurant ID, and the restaurant name. When we click go, oops, need to get this first. When we click go, then it works.